This is our 1977 Pontiac Can Am. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there'll be a very slow-paced walk around of the car, showing all the little blemishes on it and things like that. And then you'll see some video clips of the interior, as well as under the hood with the car running. You'll see there's a bunch of just little chips here along the nose, just on the lower front end. Nothing really significant. All these significant blemishes are shown here, as well as in the photos in the listing on our website, chicagocarclub.com, so please check that out. But the car was sold new in Oregon City, and then it later moved to Iowa, Colorado, and then Nebraska. And we purchased it from the guy in Nebraska. Really, really nice car, just over 100,000 miles, like 109,000 miles. All original. You can see the VIN stamp on the front of the engine block there in the listing, as well as the numbers on the Turbo 400 trans, and it does have the optional limited slip safety track differential as well. It's been repainted. It's of course the correct color, Cameo white. They did a really, really nice job. There's no dust nibs or paint run or orange peel, nothing like that. And we have touched the car up as well, so now it really, really looks nice. We did buff and wax it too. The white rally wheels, very nice shape, just tiny, tiny little bits of oxidation, really nothing serious. The trim rings are very nice, no curb rash or oxidation again. The BFG radial TA tires, I'm not positive as to when they were, manufactured, but they certainly look relatively new. They're not dry, they're not well worn, nothing like that. The car will come with quite a bit of documentation, including the original dealer inspection report and factory build sheet shipping order. You'll see that in the listing there. There's also the PHS documents and a good bit of period literature as well. A couple service records that will back up mileage. There is a record from the early 2000s of a carb rebuild at 95,000 miles, which would totally make sense if the car was now at 109. The glass is all clear and crack-free. Light lenses are good too, not spiderwebbed, not really showing their age. Weather stripping is good, not dry or brittle, not crumbling. Panel fitment spot on, doors open and close nice and smooth. Lights and signals are all functional. Really sharp looking car. Onto the interior. Door panels are super nice. No kicked open markings, no elbow dents, nothing like that. Dash as well. The wooden face doesn't have any hairline cracks. No peeling, nothing like that. You can see the dash top is very nice as well, with no cracks. Windows, of course, roll ups. They track nicely. You can see a Kenwood radio has been installed. Sounds very good, does have an aux input as well. Original radio not included in the sale. You can see this is a console car, which again, very nice shape. Not warped, cracked, nothing like that. Gauges are all functional with the exception of that analog clock. Heat's functional, fan is functional. This car does not have air conditioning. Black vinyl buckets, really nice. The front seats have been recovered. Don't believe the rear has, but not positive. Regardless, front seats are in nice shape. No punctures on the seat bottoms, just kind of like you see there, that semi-loose fitting seat back. But seats are nice and firm, not blown out, not excessively worn, nothing like that. headliner clean and tight, sun visors are firm, hold their position.